Good afternoon, everybody. We are in my guest suite number 2, and I'm so excited to finally be able to share my new IKEA kitchen in here. So I'm going to take you through the drawers and everything and show you how I've got everything set up. All right, we'll start on this side here and work our way around. In the 2 drawers I've got here, actually it's 4 drawers, we've got knives and some utensils. And then we have all the cutlery there and the can openers and the scoop thing. In the bottom drawer here, we have extra towels and washcloths and a rolling pin and some more utensils, potato masher, egg beater, scissors, wine corkscrew opener, gotta have one of those, and brand new dishwasher. Isn't that lovely? I'm sure my guests will really appreciate having that. I tried to make it so that everything here can go in the dishwasher. However, there are a few things that really should be washed by hand, like non-stick fry pans, for example. On the sink here, I've got the hand soap there still, and then I brought this little, it's a towel holder, I guess, but I find those so perfect for putting your washcloths on there so they can dry, and they kind of look cute too, right? So under the sink here, I splurged a bit, splurged in a few areas, but I got some new garbage and compost bins that pull out like that. And I got them labeled. Isn't that lovely? And then, of course, I had to get a new dish rack because the old ones did not fit in here. But this one's collapsible, and there's not going to be too much that has to be washed by hand. But anyway, that's there with some dish liquid if needed. We got the dishwasher tabs. We've got scrubbers. Underneath here, I got some SOS pads as well. So that's all that's needed for under here. And hanging on the door here, I've got another dishcloth that's got a little bit of a abrasion to it. It's kind of cool. And this dish brush, which, that's my preferred method of hand washing dishes. But everybody's got their own thing. You can use the cloth. You can use the brush. You can use the scrubbers. As long as it's clean, that's the main thing, right? So in this corner cabinet, I have the toaster here in a bin, and that will keep all the crumbs in the bin. So a lot easier to clean out after. I use this up in my other apartment too, so works great. In that bin, I've got the hand mixer and an electric knife, and I've got measuring cups and measuring spoons in that bin. On the lower tier, we have some glass Pyrex dishes there, baking pans and racks and a colander. And over here, we have a huge cutting board. So that, and of course we have matching red oven mitt and pot holders. So I got a new little cutting board there, and then this is a serving paddle, so they can put like cheese and crackers and like meats on to serve. I just think they're kind of cute. And some new red and black utensils. So that's in there. Now all the dishes and cups are in here, plus some extra food saver things up there. A vintage casserole dish up there. A milk jug, of course. And then there's a pitcher if they want to make juice, if they happen to have kids here. So the little blue cups there are just like plastic. So they're fine for kids. Same with the Tupperware cereal bowls right there. And so kind of standard. Glasses, plates, bowls, some wine glasses there. This this is like a little serving dish too. So that is that cupboard. Now in the cupboard over the stove here, I have left it empty. So when people come with some groceries, if they're, not putting them all in the fridge, they can put some up here. So just leaving that available for food stuff. Oops, sorry. For some reason, the soft close isn't working on that. I'll have to see if I can fix that. And in the corner cabinet, I have one big teapot up there and set of mixing bowls, nice red, because that's my accent color here. And obviously extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, green tea, and a little bit of coffee mate. Of course, people can bring their own cream or whatever else they need. But I just have the bare bones basics here, sugar, tea, coffee pods in there. There's a few extra ones in there too, usually. Microwave. Oh, I did put a couple of pans in the drawer here. Now this one, it's unfortunately, I put it through the dishwasher. It got discolored, but it's still good. It's not rusted or anything. So that's that. And here we have all the pots and pans. So we got that. A couple of the non-stick fry pans there, and then some of the bigger like stock pots there. And that is that. So, and then we just have this little shelf up here with the wooden bowl, and the other bowl inside it is looks like wood, but it's actually acrylic, great for putting salad in, and a tray. Now this is fake fruit. I only put that there for the pictures, and that's not really included in this day. But anyway, got a brand new fridge here from IKEA. This is actually the reason I did this whole renovation started because my old fridge kind of died. So I have a Brita filter in there. I just changed the filter as well. So that's all good there. But yeah, so back to my old fridge. It was only 24 inches wide, and the countertop came, like it just fit in there, maybe with an inch or two to spare. But I had just bought that a few years ago for, I think $550. And I thought, I'm not spending $550 every 3 years. Like that's just crazy, So I wanted to be able to put a normal fridge, which I might have been able to get cheaper. I was going to try and get a used one. Couldn't find one that I liked. And I ended up getting this one at IKEA when I went down to get my last cupboard up there. I had to wait over 3 months to end up getting all my cabinets. I've got the lower ones first, and then I had to get a few more. Then I get a few more, So, yeah, it's been a long wait. It took a little bit longer to get the countertops done. Normally it takes 2 weeks. I think it took them about 3. So that took a little bit longer. But that's okay. And my tile guy, well, my contractor, he did everything really, but he excels at tiles. He did the floor initially, so that's great. And yeah,